Everywhere you look right now, it's 40% off, 60% off, even 80% off for Black Friday. But I think I can do something even better. How about free? We all love free, right? Free yoga classes from Black Friday through Cyber Monday. I'm going to be hosting 3 free yoga classes, which include seated chair yoga, standing yoga, chair Pilates with balance work, and a hands, feet, and face yoga class. Plus, a Monday Live Zoom mini mastermind where I'm going to teach you a yoga reset system where you're going to get a free 7-day reflection journal. This whole event is designed for women 40 plus who want to feel better in their bodies and reduce stress during the holiday season. I know this is a good offer because I sent out an email to my list and this is what you voted for, and I'm giving the people what they want. So I am going to give you a behind the scenes look at each of the classes and tell you why I chose them and why they're important for Thanksgiving. And then I'm going to walk you through how to sign up. So, hi, I'm Suzanne. I'm a yoga teacher, life coach, and I'm the founder of the Yoga and Movement Circle, where we host over 11 live classes every week. I support women 40 plus in building strength, balance, and confidence through simple, consistent movement. And Black Friday is one of my favorite times to offer free classes because it gives you a chance to try yoga, to feel the difference in your body and see if it's exactly what you're needing, and zero pressure. So here's what you can expect from November 28th through December 1st. On November 28th, Friday at 11 a.m. Central, we're going to be doing a 30-minute chair yoga class plus a standing full body stretch. We'll start seated for the first 15 minutes to release tension in the neck and shoulders, work on posture, engage the core, and wake up the legs with some thigh strengthening moves. And then we're going to stand up and move into some deeper stretches, shoulder openers, hip and knee strengthening poses, movements that help improve circulation and mobility. This class is perfect for the day after Thanksgiving because your body's probably tired from standing and cooking all day, sitting or traveling all day, maybe even shopping. And in just 30 minutes, we're going to get a full body reset so that you can feel lighter, more open, and more energized. On November 29th, Saturday at 11 Central, we're going to be doing a 30-minute chair yoga plus balance strength class. And this class starts with seated core strengthening exercises. I'll be using a wooden dowel to hold for balance, but if you have a handle of a broom or even a Swiffer, you can use that, or you can do the exercises even without any kind of prop. Strengthening the core helps support your low back, it improves posture, and it reduces tension in the neck, especially if you've been sitting and standing a lot. And we're going to be moving into balance poses as well because as we get older, it's so important, getting out of the car, stepping into and out of the tub, walking up and down the stairs, or I know that you want to go shop all day with your girlfriends, and having good balance and leg strength is really important. So this class helps you feel steadier in your gait and more supported as you move. And then on Sunday, November 30th at 11, we're going to be doing a 30 minutes hand, feet, and face yoga class. And I chose this one for the holidays because we just don't even really think about exercising our hands, our feet, or even our face. But it feels so good. And we're going to stretch the toes, the soles of the feet. We're going to strengthen the ankles to support our balance. It helps with circulation, and it's just really great. And then hand exercises. If you have stiffness in the hands, if you have arthritis, I have some really great hand exercises that lubricate the joints in your hands. And of course, I love to do face yoga too. It just feels good. By Monday, most of us are tired and ready for something restorative. So this class gives attention to the parts of the body that we usually ignore, and it helps you unwind before the week begins. And then on Cyber Monday, we're going to meet live on Zoom for a Yoga Reset and Samskara release mini mastermind class. I'm going to guide you through 7 yoga poses and reflective questions from the Yoga Reset 7-day reflection journal that you're going to receive when you register. You're going to learn what a yoga reset is, how stress and emotions can build up in the body during the holidays, and use a gentle Samskar release technique to help you process that. You must register with your email to receive the journal and the Zoom link, and replays will only be sent to those who sign up. So, all right, here's what to do next. So, click the link and register for the Black Friday free yoga classes and Monday Zoom session. And that's how you're going to get your Zoom links and all the email reminders with the times and the classes for the dates. Uh, Make sure that you're also a member inside my free yoga, my free Facebook community, Yoga for Women 40 Plus, my free yoga group, I was thinking, because that's where all the free classes are going to be happening. So, a separate link above for that. And once you join, I'll pin the registration post at the top so that you can't miss it. I am so excited to spend this Black Friday through Cyber Monday with you. Let's make this holiday session where you feel good in your body and not overwhelmed by it. I will see you then, my yogi friends. Namaste.